Hi y'all, it's Brenda with Creations by Babydoll. I hope everyone is doing wonderful today. Today I'm going to be doing a dirty pour on this 8x10. I've already sprayed my cup with the WD-40 silicone, the one in the black canister. I have Master's Touch Silver, Soho Prussian Blue, DecoArt Extreme Sheen Aquamarine, and this new color I have, the DreamCoat North Sea. I got this color the other day, so I wanted to see what it would look like with some of my favorite other colors. So I'm going to start with the silver, which I've already sprayed my cup with the WD-40 silicone. And there's the silver. I'm back. So the next color I'm going to put in is the DecoArt Extreme Sheen Aquamarine. And the DreamCoat North Sea. Whoops. That might be a little bit too heavy, so it's going to be interesting how that turns out. Okay, go back. Well, yeah, the silver. The Prussian blue, and then one more layer of each. The silver, the Prussian blue, aquamarine, and I think I got them out of order, so let's give it a swirl so that we can merge the colors together. Well, don't want nothing on it. There we go. So I think I'm just going to start from this corner. I'm going to go around the edges. I think I'm going to put a little bit more in here on this side. And some in here so I don't have to stretch the paint too much to cover the canvas, bare spots. Okay, let's put a little dollop, and that came out a lot, so I'm thinking my paints are a little bit thin. So we're going to give it a torch, pop the air bubbles, get that silicone to come up. Alright. Let's get these bare area covered up. Get the weight of the paint. Try to get back to the middle. Gonna help that little spot out a little bit. There we go. Let's go out that way a little bit. Get off that top edge. Whoops. As usual, being klutzy today. We're going to bring that down. Let's see, bring it down to this corner to get it go off the edge. Now we're going to go down. I want to try to save as much as that silver down there. So So I'm going to go very slowly and angle it. Let's cut that and bring it back. Get the paint back to center. Let's see, we need to go over a little bit here. Get that edge covered. Get those edges wiped down real quick. Okay, let's see what we have here. Now I'm liking how that blue, the Prussian blue, is being transparent. That's really pretty there. So let's torch it again. See if anything comes up. Oh wow, that's looking pretty cool with the aquamarine. Don't see much of the DreamCoat in here, except for a little bit along the veins here that are pretty cool. But I'm liking this one. I can't wait to see how it's going to turn out. Well, thank y'all for joining me today. I hope y'all have a great day. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I put my next video. Well, I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.